everyone says you're amazing.
And the summer months are on the way. My name is Justin Rothbart. You know our brand Auction One, and you know we specialize in property auctions. Another fantastic property just arrived. It's coming to auction now. It's a serious matter, and in my hand right over here, in the regional court for Regional Division of the Eastern Cape, we've got a matter where it is a divorce, or what is more commonly known as a division of a joint estate, and within that, this magnificent home behind myself needs to be sold. I'm going to take you through this property. The good news is that both the sellers are in agreement with the sale on this property, so no problems there at all. The property has been renovated. Unfortunately, renovations have not been complete, so certainly this is one for speculators who are going to buy, renovate and then resell. Alternatively, the rental investor can do very well here if you're a hands-on type person, and then of course for the family person wanting to be in a good area. Where's the property situated? Well, it's number 4 Elgar Road, and that is Haven Hills or Highway Garden. This suburb has absolutely seen momentum over the years as prices have greatly risen here. I remember in my early days of property 25 years back selling homes in this area for 95,000, then they went to 115, then they went to 150, and now you'll see completed homes are probably closer to R1 million. Look at that for a return. This suburb has certainly performed well. Originally, Mercedes-Benz used to build the homes here, or some of the homes here, for their employers. Maybe you're getting a feeling or an idea of where this property is right now. Excellent road network throughout, close to schools, and you've got the Amalinda main road not far from you with all the shopping centres. Let's go and check this property out. You'll love the dual access for vehicles on this property over here. You've got a gate, you can put at least 2 cars out here. Then you've got your second entrance with your garagings right there. Special mention must be made of the garaging, where you can drive straight through under a carport area, which can also double up as an entertainment area. I love the glass, I love the light, and certainly a beautiful home in architectural design. Let's go through and check it out. You can see over here, beautiful front entrance door, amazing. Spacious entrance hall, and then we've got the porcelain tiles throughout the living areas and kitchen segment. It's really spacious inside here. You've got your kitchen over there. It still needs a fitted kitchen to go in. What about a nice center island feature coming onto this dining room, which then flows across onto the lounge, and then outdoors through the sliding doors you've got your undercover area, which could double up as an entertainment area, or as mentioned previously, the garaging has 2 doors on either side, and you can drive right the way through for extra vehicles under roofing parking. We're going to come around into this section over here. So here's a section of incompletion, which we believe will seriously add value to this property once done. This is where the stairwell is designed to be, and if you come up and have a look up here, it's absolute volumes of space, a designated area for your ensuite, and a huge master bedroom of note could be created upstairs. Alternatively, you could use it as a second lounge. It's truly spacious. You'll love the height and the volume. So here's another classic example where the slab is cast for the second floor above and it's still incomplete. You're needing that finishing, obviously the electrics as well. We're going to go through now and have a look at the bedrooms. At present, there are 2 bedrooms in use. They're well located toward the rear of the building for peaceful sleeps, of course, and the family bathroom. The property also features a prepaid meter, and the outstanding rates on this property at the moment is approximately 110,000 Rand. Both the parties involved want an amicable solution now. That's why they've chosen to go to auction. They want this matter finalized, sorted out, and done and dusted. Properties of this nature certainly offer opportunity, as you're able to get into the market usually in a far superior area than what you originally wanted, and you build your property up over time, adding that value and equity. It's about being creative. It's about putting your finger on the pulse when it comes to property. Don't miss this auction. It's a serious one. It's going to be concluded, and I hope you're going to be the winning bidder. Phone call during the photo shoot can only be my secretary. Hi there, B, how are you? Absolutely, we're doing the photo shoot right now at 4 Elgar in Haven Hills. Yes, I'll tell the folk now. The auction is going to be on the 5th of November, 10 a.m. on site right here at the property. Thank you so much for the reminder. See you just now in the office for coffee.